What's going on, y'all? Stevie Zenith here. For those of y'all that don't know, the cool thing about us is that, we're a music group, we're independent artists, and we fund our passion through e-commerce and also through our marketing agency. Yeah, for those of y'all that didn't know, we also have our own marketing agency, and we run Facebook ads for other businesses, other e-commerce companies, help businesses to scale their business and take that to the next level. So I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of insight on the things that I've been seeing that have been affecting the way that businesses can grow, because it's all about the growth, right? So one thing that I'm seeing a lot of lately is that businesses don't have a Facebook pixel installed on their actual page, on their actual website. They don't have a Facebook pixel installed, and some business owners just don't know what that is. So I'm just going to go over real quick what a Facebook pixel is and why it is so important. Like, very important, crazy important, right? So check it out, all right? I want to make sure y'all can see me. Make sure y'all see me good. All right, so check it. So this is your Facebook pixel. Put that E in there, right? Can y'all see? I think y'all can see. So your Facebook pixel is right here, okay? This is your Facebook pixel. Now, here's the thing. Your Facebook pixel tracks everything that's going on your website. It tracks every single thing going on with your website. I'm talking about anyone that goes to your website and views the page, it tracks that. It tracks if anyone buys a product, it tracks that. If anyone adds a product to the cart, it tracks that. So basically your Facebook pixel is tracking every movement from your potential customer or your customer, So think of it like this. Here's your website. We'll just put a W there for your website, right? So if you don't have a Facebook pixel installed on your website, then everyone that visits your website, everybody that visits your website, they're just going to come in, then they're going to leave. And you, the business owner, are going to be left with zero data. And data is the king of this whole thing. Data is the king of this whole thing, and you're going to be left with zero data. So what you need to do is you need to have that pixel installed on your page, because this is what's going to happen. Hold on, let me wipe this off. This is what's going to happen, right? Get rid of that too. Alright, so now say you take this Facebook pixel and you now install it onto your actual website. Now, what's going to happen is anytime a customer comes to your website, yeah, all these people coming to the website, right? I'll even draw like a stick figure here, if you can see it. I don't even know if you can see it, but yeah. So all these customers are coming to your website. Now that you have your Facebook pixel, I'll put that right there, P. Anytime your customer comes to your website, think of it like they have cookie crumbs in their hand, right? They have cookies, and they're dropping crumbs everywhere. So anywhere that your customer goes, or your potential customer goes, PV is page view. So if your customer comes to your website, right, and they have this little cookie in their hand, if they view your page, it's going to leave some cookie crumbs there from what they did, right? So if your customer takes the next step and actually views your content on your product page, if they take that next step and they come here with their little cookie, they're leaving all that data there, right? And it goes on and on and on. It goes to the add to cart. So if your customer's like, I like this product. I like this product they're selling, right? So I'm going to check out the product page. I love the product. So now I like it so much, I'm going to actually add that product to my shopping cart. So when they do that, the customer's going to come over here to add to cart, right? They still got that cookie in their hand. They're still dropping crumbs. So if they click on the add to cart button and add that product to cart, guess what's going to happen? Facebook is going to track it. They're leaving those little cookie crumbs there, right? So now, after it's all said and done, you can go back to your Facebook pixel data in Facebook. Say this is your Facebook pixel in Facebook, right? You can check your Facebook pixel, and what you will see on your Facebook pixel is you will see that someone had a page view. You'll see that someone also viewed your content, viewed your product page. You'll also see that someone added the product to cart, right? And picture you're driving ads, right, to your website, and you get, thousands of visitors a day. How valuable would that data be to where you can tell if a person viewed your page, if a person added the product to cart, whatever the person is doing, that's super valuable. You know what I'm saying? That is so valuable, and that's how you take that data and make your product even stronger, make your ads even stronger. It's crazy. It's crazy how this works, because once you do this, once you get this information on your Facebook pixel, right, and you have 1,000 visitors and everything is tracked, you can then take all this data and you can create a stronger audience. You can create an audience of people that look exactly like the people that originally did these things. You can you could create an audience of people that have viewed the page, viewed the actual product page, added the product to cart. You take all that segmented data and you say, hey, Facebook, I want to find more people that look exactly like these people. And you create what's called a lookalike audience. And you take that audience and you run more ads to them. And you keep crushing it. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of what a Facebook pixel does. I'll go into more detail, but I just kind of wanted to familiarize y'all with what a Facebook pixel is. So I appreciate y'all checking it out. Peace and love, y'all.